Perseverance is to concentrate on one thing to the extreme, to strive for perfection after thousands of times, and to inherit the spirit of craftsmen, to forge an extraordinary company. Ganggu Hardware, a manufacturer with ingenuity. Located in Dongguan City, known as a city of China factories, our company, Dongguan Ganggu Hardware Product Company Limited, specializes in providing safe, eco-friendly, high-quality fasteners and good services for global customers. Ganggu Hardware is a technology-based manufacturer with the integration of R&D, design, manufacturing, and sales. For over 10 years of trials and hardships, Ganggu has adhered to the corporate philosophy of quality first and keep improving, constant development and innovation. With mature, stable, efficient technical team, our company provides customers with comprehensive fastening solutions and provide custom-made services by listening to their needs sincerely. We contribute to customers' development for common progress and strives to become a century-old company. Develop products with ingenuity to fulfill a great cause. Ganggu Hardware has adhered to quality of survival, to innovation and development of business philosophy, and established a production system meeting international standards. Our company has obtained the certification of the ISO 9001-2015 quality system, national environmental certificates, and more than 10 patent certificates. Ganggu Hardware is equipped with cold heading forming equipment imported from Taiwan, bolt thread rolling equipment, SEMS screw production equipment, automatic precision lathes equipment from Taiwan, full automatic sealing screw drilling equipment, and equipment for cutting slots of slotted screw. With an intelligent online ERP plus MS production management system, our company comprehensively carries out scientific intelligent digital management, wins in the market through integrity, and builds a famous brand by high-quality products. Our company set up a strict testing laboratory equipped with many high-precision testing instruments, such as film thickness gauges, 2D testers, Webster hardness testers, Rockwell hardness testers, salt spraying testers, roughness testers, torsion testers, universal depth gauges, and CCD infrared testers, which can be used for the visualized precision assessment of sizes, appearances, foreign screws and off-standard threads, and other high-precision inspection instruments to meet the customer demand for automatic assembly of screws. Our company always takes environmental protection and safety as its foundation, keeps improving, and devotes itself to providing quality-assured products for customers. Our main products include electric meter sealing screws, terminal block screws, SEMS, SEMS screws, relay fastening screws, self-tapping screws, non-standard screws, and brass insert nuts. With the month output of over 150 million pieces, our company offers product to many industries such as low voltage power, electrification, communications, intelligent energy manufacturing, electronics, instruments, and meters. Your need is our premise. Our mission is to manufacture quality products, to build a platform for its employees to fulfill their dreams, to create value for customers, and to make contributions to social progress. Ganggu Hardware has been a long-term partner of many world-famous companies. We remain true to our original aspiration and forge ahead with determination. Our goal is always to strive for excellence and service first. We are willing to change the world with you.